Hello boaters, welcome to Narrowboat Journeys. My name is Phil and I've lived aboard my narrowboat on the canal system for over 30 years. I share my home with my two cats, Bushka and Midge, and we spend our days travelling around the canal system and making videos. Today we're on the Coventry Canal and I'm just approaching Bridge 36, which is near Mancetter, and in this video we'll be boating through Hartshill and then mooring up between Hartshill and Nuneaton, close to Bridge 28. So before we go any farther, let's have a look at the map. The trip begins at the yellow marker at the top left of the map and finishes at the yellow marker down at the bottom right. On the way we pass the marina, and at Hartshill there's a Canal River Trust yard with a water point, and then on we go past the pub and moor up close to Bridge 28. It's a very cold day. It doesn't look it, but I'm just standing, driving the boat, and I get colder and colder and colder as we go because I'm just not moving. Having said that, this stretch of the canal which we're about to cover is really very attractive in the summer. This is a new marina being built here. It wasn't there last time I came through. approaching Hartshill now, and this is bridge 33. If you want to go to the village, cross over this bridge to the right, walk across the field, and there's a footpath leading up to the houses and to the village beyond. Just ahead of me here there's another busy road which you can also walk up to the village, but there's no pavement and it's really quite dangerous, so going by bridge 33 is the safest way to go. If you want to stop at Hartshill, this is a very good place to moor up. This is the busy, dangerous road that you want to avoid. There's another bridge shortly after this one, you can see it there through. You can walk up that one quite safely. In the village itself there's a convenience store, and you can get a few bits and pieces there, but there's not much in the way of shops. After this bridge, on the right, is an interesting CRT yard. It's even got a clock tower, and also there's a water point here. That's all you've got in terms of facilities, but that's better than nothing. This bridge is your other way up to the village. It's generally uphill and a bit of a walk, but it's quite pleasant this way. That conical hill is quite an eye-catcher. It's an old spoil heap, and it's been returning to nature now. I think it's quite attractive. side of this nasty road there's a pub and plenty of visitor moorings, so you'll be alright if you want to stop here. And there is the pub. It's not actually freezing today, but I've been standing still driving the boat now for about an hour, and I'm getting really cold. This is bridge 28, and I think someone must have died or something here some time ago, because on the other side of it, to the left, there's like a little shrine has been built. I don't know any more about it than that. And that's it. I'm just too cold. I'm going to have to stop. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time.